sweetie. Here's our little tiny micro teacup. The tiny teacup little boys were just born. Smallest teacup poodles we've had so far. They're only 2 ounces at birth. They'll get their little tails cut here in a few days. They're doing very well and they're very healthy, and Mama's taking very good care of them. These are going to be really tiny teacup poodles. Now we just got to think of some names for them. This one looks like he is probably going to be solid black. He might turn silver, or he might stay black. And this little boy's got a little bit of silver on his chin, so he might be a silver phantom, or that might go away and he might just be solid black too. We'll have to wait and see. I'll be able to tell better when they're about 5 weeks old. These two are from some tiny teacup lines. They're from Velvet Touch and Cindy Poodle's lines. They make awesome studs if you want to have AKC tiny teacup poodles. Well, they're crying. They want Mama. I'm going to go ahead and put them back in with Mama.